Good afternoon. It is Monday, September 13, and your screen is a live view of the Falcon 9 rocket, and it's for its first time with Dragon 1 on the top of the second stage. As it awaits its 10:30 p.m. GMT night launch from Space Launch Complex 40 or Slick 40. I'm Mr. Ferrari 1. I'm a commentator here at RASX, and I'm your commentator for today's webcast. Our mission today is the first commercial resupply mission, which is CRS-1 to the ISS. If for some reason we are not able to launch today, we do have a backup window tomorrow, 10 p.m. Let's take a look at the vehicle that will launch Dragon today. This is the Falcon 9. It's a two-stage liquid launch vehicle getting ready for liftoff. It stands about 230 feet tall or 70 meters tall. The bottom two-thirds of the vehicle, that's the first stage, and it's designed to be reflown over 10 times with minimal refurbishment between flights. At the bottom of that first stage, there are 9 Merlin engines. They get the Falcon 9 off the ground to the thinner parts of the Earth atmosphere before separating from the second stage and making its way back down to Earth for landing. And it's the part that we'll attempt to recover in our Of Course I Still Love You drone ship located at the Atlantic Ocean. And above that first stage, and above that black inner stage band, is our second stage. At about T plus 1 minute into flight, the second stage will separate, and the second stage will separate, and the second stage will ignite a single MVAC engine that will carry the Dragon to its intended orbit. Dragon looks healthy and pressurized for flight for the first time to dock with the ISS. As we mentioned on our Dragon 1 unveil, Dragon teams here at RASX will work from
And she should
ground
have
to
started.
control the Dragon and dock with the ISS in orbit. In future missions, the Dragon will be captured by the Canada arm. Dragon will be separating from the second stage at about 8 minutes into flight, and will start performing its maneuver to approach the ISS. But around 9 minutes into flight, we'll end this live stream and we'll come back tomorrow at 10 p.m. GMT for Dragon docking. This is an exciting day for RASX and NASA, so let's enjoy it together.
We either go for lunch.
Is complete.
Copy. Fueling is nominal. T minus 2 minutes. Falcon 9 is on startup.
So right now we're on startup. This means the rocket flight computers have taken over the countdown. So as you can see, we are approaching liftoff. It's now we're at T minus 15
Launch
seconds.
directories go for launch.
So as I said, like we're going to. This is really exciting because yeah, we're about to be making history because first resupply mission made by a private
T minus 30
private
seconds.
company. Okay, now let's just keep waiting for down.
T minus 15 seconds.
And here's like the okay. Right
10,
now
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
liftoff.
Liftoff.
Liftoff. Liftoff of the Dragon 1 mission, resupply mission to the International Space Station. Go RASX, go NASA. So right now, it's
Propulsion nominal.
T plus
Vehicle is pitching
35
downrange.
seconds. We should have max Q. Now, what does max Q mean? This means that the rocket is going to move peak mechanical stress on the rocket. This just means that the rocket is the Falcon 9 is going supersonic. So let's just flight. So as you can see, it means that maximum dynamic pressure. This is the largest amount of aerodynamic stress exerted on the vehicle. So this is that. The Falcon 9 is right now going supersonic speed.
Throttling downrange.
And in a couple of seconds we should have Miko. Now what is Miko? This is like 3 events going to happen at the same time. The first one, first
Stage
stage
separation confirmed.
okay.
Second engine
This
start
one is
confirmed.
as you can see that those 3 events happened. First stage cut off, second to the second the 2 stage separate, and the MVAC engines ignite. Now the Falcon 9 booster, call it Falcon 9 first stage, will go land. Will go back to Earth to land on. Of course, I still love you, Droneship. And we should see the entry burn. This means, as you can see,
Entry burn
this right
started.
now happening. Yeah, so what does the entry burn mean? The entry burn is going to be like the engine will ignite, so like it's reduced the velocity to land on the velocity speed, which is going to land on, so it can land safely on the booster. I mean the drone ship. And right now in
Entry burn started.
here we go. You see the entry burn has started, and in
Entry burn complete.
T plus 2 minutes 53.
Lost signal as expected.
And as you can see, the first stage, let's hope it lands. Okay.
Landing burn is started. Landing legs have deployed. And touchdown.
And there you go. The first stage of the Falcon 9 has landed. Another successful landing for RASX. And now let's just keep watching the MVAC
SECO.
its journey to low Earth orbit. Now, what does SECO mean? It means the MVAC will turn off its engine. Shut down its engine. SECO 1. So yeah, I believe in T plus 6 minutes, we should have said 2, which means MVAC engines restart. And in 6 minutes 4 seconds, let's see, we shall have SECO 2, which means second engine cut off too. And in T plus 8 minutes, we shall have Dragon deployment. So now let's just sit there, relax, and we'll just watch the Dragon, waiting for the Dragon to deploy. Okay, right now we shall have, in a couple of seconds, we shall have the second engine restart in T plus 6 minutes. It's called SES2, meaning start stage engine restart. So that's mean the MVAC engine.
Second engine start.
As you can see, it's starting once again, and in
SECO
force
2.
in SECO 2. This means that the second stage engine will cut off. Now it's in a matter of time you'll see the Dragon deploy. Just sit and wait for Dragon to deploy. They shouldn't be taking too much time, like T plus 8 minutes. So that's just 2 minutes. So yeah, we just wait for Dragon to deploy. Okay, so right now in T plus 8 minutes, I mean it's in not even like 3 seconds, we should have Dragon deployment. This means that it's like how a SAT will deploy, just there's no fairings. deploy, and you will like
Dragon deployment
off.
confirmed.
Okay, here we go. Let's just watch it deploy. And here it goes. You can see it with all of its glory. The
Solarized
Dragon.
deployment.
And look at it. It's beautiful.
Deployment confirmed.
And there goes the journey. Dragon's journey to the International Space Station has started. We'll see you next. I believe tomorrow. I don't know. We should have a live of it docking with International Space Station.